A dedicated camera genuinely still beats your phone. Bigger sensors, better lenses, and creative control that unlocks a whole new level of photography and video. In 2026, there's a perfect camera for every style and budget, from pocketable compacts to full-frame powerhouses. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to TechBeat. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The FUJIFILM X106 is the genuine, stylish, everyday carry pick, delivering gorgeous image quality, classic retro design, and genuine pocketable convenience in a fixed lens compact. The standout is the genuine combination of FUJIFILM's renowned color science and a beautifully compact retro-style body, which delivers genuinely stunning film-like colors and image quality straight out of camera. In a body genuinely small enough to carry everywhere, a real advantage for street and everyday photographers who want quality without bulk. The excellent sharp fixed lens and large sensor deliver genuinely impressive detail and low light performance, and the classic manual dials make shooting genuinely tactile and enjoyable. The hybrid viewfinder is genuinely clever, switching between optical and electronic views, and the in-body stabilization helps handheld shots. The beautiful, genuinely timeless design looks as good as it shoots, and FUJIFILM's renowned film simulations add genuine creative flair straight from the camera. FUJIFILM's cult reputation backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine, stylish, pocketable camera with stunning image quality and tactile controls, the FUJIFILM X106 is the most stylish, most everyday carry pick on this entire list. The FUJIFILM X106 delivers gorgeous image quality and classic retro style in a genuinely pocketable body. And the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Stylish, pocketable, stunning. The Nikon Z5 II is the genuine best value full-frame pick, delivering full-frame image quality and Nikon's renowned engineering at a genuinely more accessible entry price. The standout is the genuine combination of full-frame sensor, quality, and an accessible price, which delivers genuinely excellent low-light performance, shallow depth of field, and image quality that smaller sensors can't match, at a price that finally brings full-frame within reach for more photographers, a real value advantage for anyone stepping up from crop sensor cameras. The capable autofocus system tracks subjects genuinely reliably, and the in-body stabilization helps handheld shooting in low light. The comfortable, genuinely well-built ergonomic body suits genuine, long shooting sessions, and the versatile Z-mount lens lineup covers genuine every style of photography. The solid video capabilities suit genuine hybrid shooters, and Nikon's renowned reliability and color science back it. For anyone who wants genuine full-frame image quality at the best entry-level value, the Nikon Z5 II is the most value-forward, most full-frame accessible pick on this entire list. The Nikon Z5 II delivers full-frame image quality at a genuinely accessible entry price. And the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Full-frame quality, real value. The Sony Alpha 7V is the genuine flagship all-rounder pick, delivering class-leading autofocus, stunning full-frame image quality, and exceptional video in Sony's celebrated mirrorless lineup. The standout is the genuine combination of best-in-class autofocus and outstanding full-frame image quality, which tracks subjects with genuinely uncanny accuracy for both photos and video while delivering gorgeous, detailed, low-light capable images, a real advantage for serious photographers and hybrid shooters who want the best of everything. The excellent, genuinely versatile sensor handles both high-resolution stills and professional video with real skill. And the fast, silent shooting suits genuine action and events. The renowned Sony autofocus tracks eyes and subjects genuinely, reliably even in tricky conditions. And the extensive E-mount lens ecosystem is genuinely the largest in mirrorless. The robust build and in-body stabilization round it out, and Sony's reputation for cutting-edge mirrorless tech backs it. For serious photographers and hybrid shooters who want the genuine best all-round full-frame flagship, the Sony Alpha 7V is the most well-rounded, most flagship pick on this entire list. The Sony Alpha 7V delivers class-leading autofocus and stunning full-frame image quality in a true flagship all-rounder, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today, the flagship all-rounder. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is the genuine rugged action pick, delivering stabilized, waterproof, adventure-ready capture built for genuinely extreme conditions that traditional cameras can't survive. The standout is the genuine combination of rugged, waterproof durability and excellent built-in stabilization, which captures genuinely smooth, sharp footage while diving, biking, skiing, or any adventure, surviving drops, water, and dust that would destroy a regular camera, a real advantage for active, adventurous shooters. The sharp 4K capture delivers genuinely detailed, vibrant footage, and the dual screens let you frame shots from the front or back with genuine ease. The wide, immersive field of view captures genuine, expansive action scenes, and the compact, mountable design attaches genuinely anywhere for creative angles. The long battery life and quick swap batteries suit genuine full days of adventure, and DJI's reputation for action cameras backs it. For adventurous shooters who want a genuine, rugged, stabilized, waterproof action camera, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is the most rugged, most adventure-ready pick on this entire list. The DJI Osmo Action 6 delivers a rugged, waterproof, stabilized capture built for genuine adventure, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Adventure ready, anywhere. Closing out the list with the Panasonic LUMIX G9 II, the genuine versatile hybrid pick delivering excellent photo and video capability in a genuinely compact Micro Four Thirds system built for hybrid shooters. The standout is the genuine combination of Micro Four Thirds portability and exceptional hybrid photo and video performance, which delivers genuinely impressive image quality and outstanding video specs in a system that's genuinely smaller and lighter than full-frame rivals, with a lens lineup to match, a real advantage for shooters who want serious capability without the bulk. The excellent in-body stabilization delivers genuinely rock-steady, handheld shots and video, and the fast, capable autofocus tracks subjects genuinely reliably. The robust, weather-sealed build handles genuine demanding shoots, and the versatile Micro Four Thirds lens ecosystem is genuinely compact and affordable relative to full-frame glass. The strong video specs suit genuine content creators, and Panasonic's renowned video engineering backs it. For hybrid shooters who want genuine serious photo and video capability in a compact, versatile system, the Panasonic LUMIX G9 II is the most versatile, most hybrid-capable pick on this entire list. The Panasonic LUMIX G9 II delivers excellent hybrid photo and video performance in a genuinely compact, versatile system. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Versatile hybrid capability? Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right camera, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because camera deals move fast. If this helped you find the right digital camera, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.